anywhere. They look at you for one reason or the other, and all they want is for you to die. This is my simple prayer for them. Any arrow of death they send to you, let it return back to them. Somebody shout, it did not happen. Scream it again, it did not happen. You may not even know you are praying for yourself with this declaration. Somebody shout, it did not happen. Anybody conspiring, anybody whispering, anybody going to any altar, anybody that sees your face and they say you are their problem and they want to do away with you, anybody thinking of your children, anybody thinking of your husband, anybody thinking of your wife, at the sound of your amen, let fire answer them. Let fire answer them. If they dare offer you the medicine of death, let them with their own tongue test it. What audacity. The kind of things people say. What audacity.